Hey, this is OpenBox with another review, and today is the Logitech C270 HD Webcam. It is a plug and play webcam, which means that no drivers will be needed. So in the box, the webcam is clearly placed on the top of the box, and inside is the paperwork. The USB wire is already attached to the webcam. It has a quite long cable of 1.5 meters. The webcam is compatible with Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac OS 10.10 or later, Chrome OS and Android version 5.0 or above. It also has noise reduction microphone, which is suitable for recording. It also has light correction, which comes handy at some points. The C270 does have a universal clip, so that you can fit it securely to your screen. And here's a little montage of what the paperwork and the webcam looks like. This is also an example of what it actually looks like on a laptop and shows you the definition of the 720p.